Today we're making old school smothered chicken. Let's go. Grab an onion, slice it up. Now get some flour because I'm going to dredge it lightly. Put the same seasonings from the chicken into the flour. Now we're going to sear each piece and then we're going to cook it the rest of the way in the oven. Now that our chicken is nice and brown, we're going to actually cook down our onions and mushrooms and make our sauce. Add your mushrooms. Remember, we season in layers, so I'm going to add some garlic salt and pepper. Now remember, we're not cooking everything all the way down. Go ahead and get a pan, put this at the bottom. This is what we're looking like. Now we're going to make our sauce. I'm going to add chicken stock to the pan to lift everything off the bottom. Add 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Add 1 brown gravy packet. And red crushed pepper. So I've overlapped the chicken just a little bit and that's completely fine. Now when your sauce gets to a thickness that you like, just pour it on over. This is what we look like. We're gonna put this in the oven on 400 degrees for 1 hour. Make sure it's covered. It's been an hour, let's see. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for a minute. Let's try it. That flour in the beginning gives the chicken a really nice bite to it. And the gravy, the sauce is really good. You get as much as you want. That was good. Cut, cut, cut.